Welcome to Math Tutorials. In this video, we are solving every question of exercise 7.4 of Chapter 7, Integrals, from the NCERT Mathematics textbook for Class 12, Part 2. Exercise 7.4 works the special integral formulas, 25 questions of arctangent, inverse sine, and logarithm forms, reached by substitutions, completed squares, and derivative plus remainder splits. Here is the list, grouped. Question 1. The x to the sixth is the square of x cubed, and 3x squared is its derivative. The inverse tangent formula in u equals x cubed, reduces this to the standard arctangent form. Apply the formula. Question 2. A root of 1 plus a square, the log formula. Scale u as 2x. With u equal to 2x, the integrand matches the root u squared plus 1 pattern. The standard logarithm result. Question 3. The same log pattern with a reversed linear inside. The substitution flips the sign. U equals 2 minus x gives du equal to minus dx. Minus the log, with the root written back in x. Question 4. A root of a difference, inverse sine. Pull the 25 into the substitution. U equals 5x turns the root into 9 minus u squared. Inverse sine of u over 3, scaled. Question 5. The x on top pairs with x squared inside. An arctangent with a root 2 scale. U equals x squared. The denominator becomes 1 plus 2u squared. Substitute back. Question 6. X squared feeds u equals x cubed. The denominator is 1 minus u squared. The symmetric log formula, 1/3 of the integral of 1 over 1 minus u squared. Substitute back. Question 7. Split the numerator into two integrals, one power form, one standard log. The x part integrates to the root itself. The 1 part is the log formula. Add the constant. Question 8. Cubes again. U is x cubed, a cubed is the constant. The log formula with it to the sixth, 1/3 of the standard integral in u. The log of u plus the root. Question 9. Secant squared feeds tangent. The log form with constant 4, u equals tangent x. The standard result. Question 10. Complete the square under the root. X plus 1 squared plus 1. The completed square shows the log pattern. The log of the shifted x plus the root. Question 11. Complete the square in the quadratic. 3x plus 1 squared plus 4. The square completes with u as 3x plus 1, constant 2 squared. Arctangent over the two constants. Question 12. Completing the square under a difference root. 16 minus x plus 3 squared. Rewrite the quadratic as a perfect square subtracted from 16. Inverse sine with a equal to 4. Question 13. Expand and complete the square. A square minus a quarter. The product is x squared minus 3x plus 2, completing to x minus 3 halves squared minus a quarter. The log formula for u squared minus a squared. Question 14. The same completion with fractions. 41 over 4 minus the shifted square. Complete the square around 3 halves. Inverse sine with root 41 over 2. Question 15. The general two-root product. Complete around the average of a and b. The product completes to the shifted square minus the half difference squared. The log form in the shifted variable. Question 16. Compare the numerator with the quadratic's derivative. They match exactly. The derivative of 2x squared plus x minus 3 is 4x plus 1, pure power form. twice the root. Question 17. Split into the derivative part and the constant part. Root plus log. X over the root gives the root. 2 over the root gives twice the log. Combine. Question 18. Write the numerator as a multiple of the derivative plus a remainder. A log plus an arctangent. 5x minus 2 is 5/6 of 6x plus 2, minus 11/3. The remaining integral completes the square to an arctangent. Question 19. Expand the product and split off the derivative. Root plus log again, with bigger numbers. The quadratic is x squared minus 9x plus 20. 6x plus 7 is 3 times its derivative plus 34. The remaining log with the half shift 9/2. Question 20. Derivative part plus inverse sine part. The quadratic opens downward. X plus 2 is minus half of 4 minus 2x, plus 4. The first piece integrates to minus the root. The rest is inverse sine of the shifted x over 2. Question 21. Half the derivative plus a remainder of 1. Root plus log. X plus 2 is half of 2x plus 2, plus 1. The log form for the leftover. Question 22. Derivative multiple plus remainder over a hyperbolic style quadratic. Log plus the symmetric log. X plus 3 is half of 2x minus 2, plus 4. The quadratic completes to x minus 1 squared minus 6. The difference of squares log formula with root 6. Question 23, the last integration. 5/2 of the derivative minus 7. Root plus log, one more time. 5x plus 3 is 5/2 of 2x plus 4, minus 7. The log for the remainder. Question 24, multiple choice. Complete the square. X plus 1 squared plus 1. The square completes to x plus 1 squared plus 1, a pure arctangent in the shifted variable. Option B. Question 25, the final one, multiple choice. Factor 4 out and complete the square. An inverse sign with fractions of eighths. Factoring 4. The root becomes 2 times the root of 81 over 64 minus x minus 9/8 squared. So the integral is half the inverse sine of 8x minus 9 over 9. Option B. That completes all 25 questions of exercise 7.4. In the next video, we will take up exercise 7.5 on integration by partial fractions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do like it, subscribe to math tutorials, and share it with your friends.